Alright, so starting off with a nice little accessory pack, clips, rat tail comb, edge brush, and a latch hook. And then I also have 4 packs of 10-inch crochet boho braids. Oh, they're so little. This is boho braids with deep wave curl pattern pieces. The other day I braided my hair into this ponytail for a different style, and I figured I could just use this same braid down. So since my braids are kind of like swooped around, that way I can easily do like a side part. And that's my vision, so yeah. Let's go for it. And also click the link down below if you'd like to see how I braided my hair up into this ponytail. But for now, I am going to take the ends of my braids and just crochet them through another braid. So you see that? I just crocheted through the braid. I just crocheted wherever, however. Cool. Okay, I'm here for the braid down. All right, ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Two of these definitely could have made a ponytail. A cute little short ponytail. So it looked like it's about 20 per bundle. So each pack comes with 40, and I have 4 packs. That's 120 braids. And I'm ready to try to use every last single one. And honestly, me braiding my hair up for this bob crochet style was perfect. Because look how flat this is. This is perfect. Ready to start on the second little bundle of the first pack. Okay, little update. This is 1 pack here. The 2 bundles that come in 1 pack. That's it. Now I'm ready to start on the second pack with the 2 bundles. And it's looking a little sparse, but I'm just trying to make sure I complete my full head and then I can go in and fill it in. Because right now, it's looking a little thin. A little thin set. So let's see. Let's continue to crochet. Alright, I still have more to put in the middle, but I'm going to go ahead and start to fill up the top so I can see where I'm at. I have 2 packs left plus 1 bundle. I'm watching a movie on Netflix with Will Smith, and at first he was pissing me off. He's still kind of pissing me off, but I'm happy now. I don't want to say what part I'm at because y'all be getting on me talking about spoiler alert, and I'm not trying to spoil, but the movie is called Focus. I'm still at the beginning of the movie. That was part of the plan. How did I not know? How did I not know? Wow. Okay, filling in. It's looking better. I'm gonna start on my last pack. I just got these 2 rows right here. They look good so far. Alright, so this is 3.5 packs. This look good. I was a little nervous at first, but I'm here for it. Spoiler alert, I thought my boy was gone. I'm over here ready to cry. Like, wait a minute, Will, come on. Okay, this is a good movie. Y'all have to go watch this movie on Netflix. Alright, so here's the finished look. I was gonna cut it to make it like more blunt, but I think I like it like this. It's still giving bob. It's a little edgy. Nice. And then I still have 10 braids that I didn't add because, baby, I don't know, I didn't need it. So I love how my parts was coming like this. So my side part looked really good with like just that slight little curve in it. Make it look a little bit more intentional. So cute like this. Yeah, nice. And of course, switch which side. Of course, middle part. Let's see if we can do a little half up, half down. Ooh, cute. I love my parts like this for this crochet style. That's a genius. Okay, a little messy bun. You get it. You get it. My braid down, oh, the braid down was so bomb. I love the way my parts was swooped. I love that I can put it into a ponytail and it's flat. Okay. That's my cue. Go get these 10-inch crochet boho braids. There's so many different styles that you can do with this look. And of course, they are very lightweight. Honestly, I don't even think it matters your braid down. You can braid your hair however. You see, I clearly braided mine up into a ponytail. Braiding it up in a ponytail gives you the perk of being able to pull it up into a ponytail. So, yeah. All right, last look. Yeah, I like it. So y'all click the link down below so you can go get these crochet bundles. Go watch that movie on Netflix, Focus, if you haven't. Click the link down below so you go check out this braid down going into a ponytail. Go check that out. And the way to remove these, all you're going to do is just pull up whatever side the loop is on. Take them out. Save it for next time. Put it right back on that little gold string. Boom. Save her for next time, baby. I'm not ready to take mine out just yet, so we're going to put her back in. See, just as fast as you can take them out, you can put them in. Just like that. Sleep on that. Okay. I don't want to get them out of the camera because my hair looks so good. But man, my husband's ready to go get something to eat. So let me go before he be like, I'm in the car. I'm like, God damn. Give me a second. Well, you just can't be like, I'm ready to sit down and watch TV. No, I'm going to the car. You don't have a choice but to hurry up.